Good morning. I want to talk to you about smoking cessation. Um, I used to work for R.J. Reynolds Tobacco Company, and my father was vice president of the joint. And let me tell you, cigarettes are the scourge of the 21st century. Now, I know that they have Shantex out, and I know you people are listening to it, and it's a good medicine, but it has way too many harmful side effects. I suggest that you quit the way I quit after 40 years of smoking. Camel. I suggest that you quit using Zyban. Zyban will make your cigarette taste like a dirty ashtray. So if you like smoking cigarettes that taste like a dirty ashtray, Zyban won't work for you. But otherwise it will. Remember, nicotine is excreted out of the system within 4 days. After that, it's all up here. I'm having my morning coffee this morning, and I took my medicines, and I'm getting ready to smoke something that doesn't hurt your lungs. In fact, it was used for tuberculosis before the law changed, and that is cannabis indica. Cannabis indica gets rid of mania, panic attacks, anxiety, hypomania, grandiose thinking, and it's a lot better than drugs like Depakote, Tegretol, Abilify, Seroquel. By the way, did you see this week where Seroquel was sued? Big lawsuit. People had to pay out $18.5 million because of what that drug did. So consider patients, doctors. Consider a regimen of 3 milligrams to 6 milligrams per day of cannabis indica and clonazepam. The amount of cannabis indica you want to give your patients is between 1/2 gram and 1.5 grams per day. Okay, I hope everyone has a very fine weekend, and I'll be tweeting you during the weekend, and hopefully people can get off cigarettes. I hope you poor souls that are hooked on alcohol out there can get off alcohol. And believe me, I know a man that's going to change his mood. Guess what? Marijuana is a much, much safer intoxicant. Much safer. Look it up. Anywhere. Alcohol, tobacco are the number 1 and 2 killers in the United States. So help me out. Tell your friends to quit tobacco with Zyban, and quit alcohol any way you can. With Campril, with AA, whatever floats your boat. But get off of that crap. Alright, y'all have a fine afternoon. Today's date is 4/30/2010, and the time is 2:05 Mountain Daylight Time, pardon me. And it's snowing here in Albuquerque today. Have yourself a fine weekend, and thank you for listening to me. I enjoy trying to educate you folks. Bye-bye.